Hi, this is Ron Kerr, and I'm going to show you our software called Blong. Basically allows you to put, as a content management application, it allows you to update categories and content, photos and videos and photo albums for presentation on touchscreens or tablet apps. And then you could also flick content from one screen to the other with our FlickIT technology. What you're seeing is a splash screen After Effects video that was created custom for a Tangipahoa Tourism Center. Basically, it shows highlights of the different scenes throughout the parish and in an attention-getting way. It's a model here is they're big on trains, and their theme is trains. So you can see this is a glass cockpit train that we created for them. So this screen can be different, made in with different themes or different videos, different colors. Basically completely customizable. And then you have on the left side you have 4 buttons, and then on the right side you have 1. We could add more buttons or customize that as well, but this is just to show you the basic concept of how you would have a splash screen to get people's attention, and then be able to drill down into different content by using touch or mouse. I'm using a Macintosh right now, and I'm showing you how to do this on a Mac, and I'm recording the screen. So let me show you a couple things real quick. Let's say we click on local, and we wanted to look to see what kind of accommodations there were. Look at a bed and breakfast, and select the Blythewood Plantation. This will show you how you can categorize all your content, and then have photo albums uploaded that will start to play automatically once you select them. In this case, it's a flipbook presentation method for displaying the photos. It'll automatically cycle through all of them, or you could grab the bottom corner here and flip it back like this to the previous photo. So that's a pretty cool way of presenting your photos in a photo album sort of way. And so let me go back to the home screen and then click on attractions, and we'll show you the Wildlife Safari alligator attraction in the parish, Global Wildlife Safari, and we'll click on this one to show you how videos can be communicated or doing this. So I'll click on play video. What this does is it launches a YouTube video that's embedded into the application. It'll still cycle through some of the photos behind the video. You can pause the video as well, touching that, but it's the reason we're streaming them through YouTube is it's better performance on the streaming side, because their videos are optimized for optimal streaming. As you can see, this is pretty fast, good quality video. Okay, so that's how you do photos and videos. So now let me show you how you update them. So let's say I wanted to go update this photo album. I would click on DoubleTake logo down on the left, right side, click on edit, and then it will have different tabs. One will be the content, one's for the icon. You can update the graphics for the icon that goes on the screen or the map. Then the actual graphics files. Then you can update the location, set the map marker details, and here's where you would see all the photos. You can update, add, or delete the photos from here. And here's where you would see the update the YouTube video if you want to put the code that's at the end of the URL link on the YouTube videos. And also you can relate that content to a category or other pieces of content that are in the system, so that when you click on them, those also show up on the list. Okay, so the same thing would happen if you wanted to create a new one. You just click on new, and then you start the process of filling out the form and uploading the content. So that puts it on the main server so that it's immediately available to anybody who has this application on their tablet device or any of the touch screens around the facility you're at, or buildings or whatever. So the last thing I want to show you real quick is the throw setup. Here's where you would come in and you log into each of your screen, pull up this app on each screen, and then specify which screen you want this to be called. This is for when you want to throw content from one screen to the other. So if I'm getting ready to throw some content, then I will go down here and turn the throw on, and I'll select the screen to throw it to. Say lobby 1. Okay. And then when you select the photo, you can just flick it and throw it off the screen, and it'll show up on the other screen. Here the swoosh indicates that it's actually gone. That's your feedback that it's on its way to that display. Okay. So now let me show you how the map functions work within Blong. Basically, you can create any map, and any content you put in the system, you can make an icon for it to visualize it on a map. So what you're seeing here is the map of the accommodations. You see the Holiday Inn, Hammond, Best Western, Days Inn. We're all into on the map. This is MapQuest. It's a satellite view. So then I click on that Holiday Inn Hammond link, and it will pop up additional information about the hotel. As you can see, it'll start cycling through the different photos of it. These are pretty high quality resolution photos, so sometimes they take a little bit longer. Anyway, hope that helps. Gives you a brief overview of it, and keep in mind we could always do something custom, unique, change colors, change logos, change the text that's in these animations, make different movies. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye.